Alright, welcome back everyone. This is where we stopped the last time we finished our HTML, so this is all we have for the HTML. Okay, the image for the HTML, let me quickly do that. I almost forgot, so let me quickly do that. So I'm going to import the image into this place. I don't think I have any image here for now. Alright, so let me come here. Let me come here and look for the image I used. Okay, this is it, Qur'an page. So let me just copy it, and then I'll go and paste it inside my image folder. So this is where I'll be pasting it. Alright, so Qur'an page. I can try to rename it or leave it that way. JPG file. Okay. So now, having done this, then it's here now. So let me come here and then I've changed the name. So let me quickly do that. Page.jpg. Right link to my CSS. Okay, so my image is now showing beautiful. So let me go back to the CSS that we just started. Okay, so this is what we have now before the impact of CSS. So let's start. Which CSS is this? Okay, so this is the CSS I want to do. Okay, so the very first thing is to this. Whenever you see anything that is not alphanumeric as a selector, let's say asterisk like this as a selector, it means whatever we want to put here, every property that will be here now is meant for everything, every element inside our HTML. Every element inside our HTML. So we are giving it margin of 0, padding of 0. Then we said font family should be cursive. So you can try and look at the font that is there before. Look at this Qur'an. Look at this look at this Qur'an and all that. So now we want it to be cursive, so let's come here to refresh now. So can you see now? So the margin 0, padding 0, So it has removed all extra edits that is here, and everything is now like this. And then you can see the font also. You can see the font. So after this, the next thing we want to be, the next selector we'll be choosing is body. It is normal. Okay, now, so the very first thing we're going to be talking about is our main height. The minimum height, we want it to be 100. Then after minimum height, we want to talk about our display. So all this now, so if we check it, so hardly will you see any effect. So let's go to see the display. The display, we are going to be choosing grid. Let's refresh. And then proceed again sincerely. So place items, we want it to be center. Place items, we want it to be center. Then our background. So we want it to be RGB. Come here to view it. Let's see what we're going to be having now. So can you see that now? So we have said our place items should be placed at the middle, and they are still maintaining that margin padding of 0. Can you see that is why they are so in line like this? And the display should be grid, so meaning that they should, if I said if I want display to be flex, they are going to be beside each other like this. We are going to be having something at the right side, maybe this MP3 may be at the right side, this one at the middle, and this one will come to this side. But